Coach Fletcher out of Freedom Martial Arts. We really hope that you will come on Saturday to the open house because we're bringing our good friend Victor. And Victor is an excellent tool to use when you've had a tough week. When you need to work on your mental health and let out some frustrations, that's what Victor's for. So on Saturday, if you have any pent-up energy and you just want to hit somebody, you should come out on Saturday. If you've had a rough day and maybe your boss has made you upset, come out on Saturday. We'd love for you to meet Victor.
And here is the open house as we are beating up Victor.
And this is completely legal. You're allowed to come and hit him. You won't get in any trouble.
He won't jump you in the parking lot.
And here I go, giving him a couple of kicks. I started something there by hitting him with the head.
There we go.
Uh-oh.
There we go. She said Andrew. I heard Andrew.
Super good.
Heather, you getting in line? Yes, sir.
All right, we've extended the time. There's another 2 minutes. 2 minutes of abuse.
Are you okay, Falcon? You good? All right.
You on video?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Quit flexing.
Uh-oh. Somebody tore off his equipment. He's got a tax dog.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, just tackle him.
You don't like the head. I wouldn't like the head truck. Look at this guy. That's what you never get around.
Do a leg kick. See if you can do it in style. You said you good. It looks like he's getting
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, Falcon, how bad did that hurt? A 4? Oh my goodness, you guys only gave him a 4. All right, everybody gets one more hit, and then we're going to let Falcon take all that off. Hey, there's no pat on the back. Man, he's got a look in his eye like he's got trouble while he's doing it. All right, last attack. All right, hey, let's get Victor. I will let your imagination guide what he is doing in this game.
This is a collie stick demonstration.
All right, give him a round of applause. They missed the last click. They didn't miss the idiot. They missed the last one. You know what that means? You know what that means? I'm gonna put you guys on the spot. Love to see in the second half of the dance, you move around the floor with your odd six. And who wants to go to their back today? All right, Coach Thomas is gonna go to his back. So the whole idea, they're supposed to be able to do this form, the first half and the second half, without missing more than 3 clicks. Sometimes they'll try to add clicks to make up for the negative clicks, but they still get a 0. Y'all better not miss on that last play. Ah. Hey, you know, that happens. They didn't miss the other one, so let's give them a round of applause.
Skate.
And you are welcome, if you want to move over to the side and get better pictures, you're welcome to do that. It's no problem.
Come on, Ranger. Yeah!
Clean up your mess. And we would love to build birdhouses, we would love to make all kinds of things so that
Yeah.
very good job.
Yes.
Very good, Jack Ryan. Clean up your mess.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Got two more breaks to go. Two more breaks to go.
Nice. Hey.
Bring it